Money, gang, it's your boy Key Money back with another YouTube video today. As y'all can see by the title, you feel me? I'm gonna be, I don't know what the title gonna be. It's gonna be like doing donuts in the snow, playing in the snow with Jotty Jiggum. You feel me? But y'all gonna see the title, you feel me? It's snowing in Philly right now. It's bad. It's like a snowstorm. And I was just driving this shit, and this joint was like doing crazy burnouts. If y'all don't know, 128 eyes is rear-wheel drive. So it's way easy for the car to slide. And then it's snowing, you feel me? Y'all about to see, I was just sliding a little bit, but I had to come home and get my GoPro because my phone ain't got no storage. And I got my little cousin so she can help me record. But I'm about to give y'all a little warm start, you feel me? And then I'm gonna drive and we gonna have some fun. You feel me? Ain't too loud, ain't too nothing, you feel me? Let me see. If y'all ain't watched the last video, make sure y'all go watch that. You feel me? I got a muffler delete on this John, and I might give y'all some rev. Heard the burbles? Damn. Alright, we at our first spot, you feel me? Mid Jotty Jiggum. Here, hold this jump, hey. Hold this jump, hey. You gotta get a good view though. Don't be no L cameraman. You don't gotta get me. Just get the. You feel me? Oh shit! Somebody right there. I didn't even see it. See it. Hold on. Let me see it. Until we get to this. You might have to just go to the parking lot. Oh shit, babe. Oh shit. Oh shit. This junk crazy. Oh! Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Yeah. Well, the brakes not even working.
To me, the brakes not working.
Look at how this Joe just driving sideways, though. Oh my God, baby, look! You hear the brakes? You hear the fucking brakes? Stop the car! Oh, we did be right here.
There's cars and shit right here.
Oh, I'm drowning. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh. You hear that poppy? You hear the pop stuff? Damn. Trying to drive regular, no traction. You said dig? Chill. This is crazy. Oh shit, man, you about to hit the car. I almost bung out. Oh my God, slide into these shit. Turn the traction down.
He said, yo, what are you doing?
What did he say?
He said, yo, what are you doing?
Oh, that's Suddy Aunt.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Why you didn't get him to record?
Hold on. All right, bet. We sturdy. Dragging this jug. Oh shit, that's crazy. Oh shit, right here, Pay. On the turn tip. I hope we don't die. I really got the wheel though. Keep it a bean. Keep it a bean though. Like niggas with a bung. We was right here off the curb. This shit funny as shit. Oh shit. Here we go again. That's where I was at first when I called you. Look at this shit, it's literally going sideways.
it's missing opportunity right there.
Nah, I'm about to go right here. Over here is better missing opportunity. You ready to get on a recruit? Look at this shit. Look, you see all the track? That's me. Hold on. Let me get Bibby first.
Come on, hold on.
Look, nigga, no hands on that bitch. You ready to join my trunk? Alright, go ahead, get out real quick. Give me right pay.
Nah. Oh.
Just take the screen and go there.
I know. This nigga.
You said burn up. Say, man. You see that jump? Yo, my shit smoking. My shit overly cooked. I don't know if that's just the water burning off. Oh, you can hear the fans, man. That bit cooling it down. Look, that bit really smoking though. Hold up. Let me pop the hood on this nigga. That bitch said it need a break. I'm dogging that bitch. Look at the fan of that bitch. Damn. Hey man, say man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel if y'all new for real, like more content, more look content coming soon. Better cars coming soon, you feel me? I just gotta show love and all that. You heard me? But this is good. Wires and shit falling. Damn. I gotta get some thumbnail joints. But I can't lie, this joint too crazy. This joint, we gotta let that bit cool down for a little bit, but damn. Fuck with me. Fuck with me. You feel me? Hey man, new video coming soon, you feel me? I just cooked in this junk. No bullshit. Damn. Making some little what's the name for the grand, you feel me? Good promo. You feel me? Oh, and yo, if y'all new to this channel, or period, follow my car page. This is my new car page, E82 You feel me? I post car content. Coming soon, you feel me? I just cooked in this junk. No bullshit. Damn. Hey man, new video coming soon. You feel me? I just cooked in this junk. No bullshit. Damn. But hey man, new video I'm about to get some soon, you feel me? I just cooked I'm about to get some pics. No bullshit. While I let this bit cool down, and then I'll see y'all later probably. If my homies come out and shit, I might look behind the scenes of the thumbnails. Damn. That jump, I ain't never hear the fans work like this in this car. That's the bid. Like I never heard that shit. My window on that side, so I definitely gotta do it from this side. I might have to turn the halos on for y'all. Look at this shit. This how y'all do it, bro. Grind. Snowing up. And I got the Crocs on in the snow. White Nike socks. I'm bullshit. That jump really cooking, right? Oh bullshit. She cooking. Oh, she calmed down. She calmed down. She calmed down. Halos on for y'all. I might have to make a new video with the halos on. That shit look way harder. That shit look way harder. No bullshit. What I say in the last video? New video coming soon. I just cooked this whole parking lot. No bullshit. We should have tap in. Damn. You feel me? This live in effect though. Shit, no faking. New video coming soon. I just cooked this whole parking lot. No bullshit. We should have tap in. Damn. New video coming soon. I just cooked this whole parking lot. I should connect to the car and all that. But hey man, say man. You feel me? Let me turn the other lights on for y'all. Y'all gotta check engine light? Nagy, they ain't never just threw me check engine. Which one y'all like better? Y'all like it with the blue? Let me know if how y'all like the thumbnails too. Y'all like this shit with the blue lights? Or y'all like it with the halos for the thumbnails? But hey, I'm gonna get back to y'all. I'm gonna let this joint cool off a little bit. You feel me? Make my little videos and all that. Holla at y'all. Yeah.
Oh, I was just making sure I just saw you earlier. I was up the top. You did at the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
You good?
Huh?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, be safe. All right, y'all. I just got done like letting my car cool off and all that, and making some reels and all that for my car page, for my regular page, just to promote my channel. But I'm about to start her and see how she sound, cause she was sounding crazy. She was schmooky. Engine light. Oh, I know engine light. We sturdy, sturdy. We sturdy. She just had to cool off. But I like that. Make sure a smooth ride that's gonna be home. I'm not gonna draw. I ain't trying to blow them shit up. I'm gonna leave my traction on, so my RPMs don't go stupid dummy. Damn, look at that joint. That shit fire. What the fuck? You get that joint?
What?
That BMW?
I'm gonna get it.
I said, would you get that joint?
Yeah.
Slow drive back to the cribs. Yo, mark my words, yo. When I get rich, I got her with the Durang ski. She said she wanted the Durang ski. What you said with the stripes?
Mm-hmm.
What color? What color?
I don't know, man.
Stripers. Stripers. Then she said she wanted the stars.
On the roof?
You said she wanted the stars in the roof. Alright, I'm out at y'all niggas.